Following Nikon's lead with the D810A, Fujifilm turns out its own version of a flagship camera modified for technical professionals who need beyond the visible spectrum shooting. While the X-T1i doesn't seem to be optimized for astrophotography the way the D810A is, instead allowing the sensor to pick up energy outside of the 400 nm to 700 nm wavelengths of the visible spectrum. Fujifilm says its application lies in fields like crime scene investigation, fine art photography and healthcare diagnostics and observation. Most sensors have an eye-cut filter to prevent invisible light from interfering with capturing visible light and to minimize heat buildup. Removing the filter, as Fujifilm and Nikon have done, allows those wavelengths to hit the sensor. The company says the range now extends down to 380 nm in the ultraviolet range up to 1000 nm in the infrared range. Fujifilm has also applied an anti-reflective coating to the sensor to minimize stray light. According to the company, the camera is otherwise identical to the X-T1, both physically and in features, though I'd be surprised if it hasn't at least modified the firmware to improve processing of the new image data. It's slated to ship in October 2015 for $1,700. I don't have UK and Australian pricing and availability yet, but that price directly converts to £1,090 AU $1,330.